Hello everyone, in this video we will try to learn how to create a database using MySQL Workbench, then how to create a table or insert a table into a database, then how to insert a data into a table. Okay, so let's dive into some practical session. So in the beginning you have to open the MySQL Workbench, then just this is the query looking like this. Okay, so here you have to enter your query, so just write a create database. Okay, after that some name you have to provide, a database name you can provide it. Data science only I'll be putting, so data science. So by selecting and just hit this one, your database has been created. See here, you have successfully created a database. Okay, so after that we have to get into the databases. So just type, use the database name you have to enter. Okay, so use a data science, then I will be getting into that databases. Okay, so currently I don't have any databases, so in order to check the list of the tables, just mention show tables. It will show you the list of tables. Currently it will be empty, so I have to create a table first. How can I create a table? Just tap on create table, then table name you have to write it. Okay, so I'll be mentioning courses or course, something whatever you want you can write it, and after that column name you have to enter. Okay, so column name will be okay, course name, I'll be mentioning course name. Okay, the data type we have to enter, the data type will be worker something 50, I'll be updating. Then duration I'll be mentioning as a duration, how long the course will be going, like that, in hours, in hours. Okay, so then I can mention data type will be int. Okay, so I just created it to data, then just run this query. Your table has been created successfully. Now you can see the table name you will be getting here, courses. So if you want to insert something, then just type insert into a table name you have to mention, courses, then you can mention the column name, or else just mention values. Okay, then that name you have to mention, so I'll be mentioning MySQL, mm, MySQL. Okay, then second one will be a duration like 15 hours, I'll be studying that one. Then second one you have to mention the second details, so I'll just mention a machine learning. um, it will take around like 30 hours to complete that one. Then if you wish to add some more data you can add it. I'll be mentioning like a Python. Okay. Python. Then the Python course again for 30 hours it will be. Okay, then just run this query. See, that will be done successfully. If you want to see the data, then get into the next column and just type select everything. From everything means star, select star means we are selecting all the columns from the data. Okay, select everything from courses, right? Courses. Just run the query, the table will be visible for you. This is how you can create a database, then you can add a table into that one. After creating a table, you can insert some value to the table. Okay, so hope you learned something. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.